day everyone, this is Adarsh Nora from class 8A and I roll number is 4. Today my topic is resources. Natural resources are the component of atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere which are necessary for our lives. It includes energy, air, water, minerals, plants, animals and soil.
For human beings, resources are those substances which are required for survival and comfort. They are directly from environment. Some resources get exhausted soon, whereas some are not.
Depending upon the use, resources are divided into two categories. First category is renewable resources and second is non-renewable resources. So, what are renewable resources? Those resources which have ability to reappear and replenish themselves by recycling. It includes sunlight, water, air, plants, animals, etc. Now, what are non-renewable resources? Those resources which does not have ability to reappear or replenish by recycling them. It includes minerals like coal, petroleum, fossil fuel, etc.
And non-mineral resources which are present in fixed amount in the atmosphere. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Ayush Bani from class 8 section A. Roll number 1. Topic: renewable and non-renewable resources and its significance. Renewable natural resources. Let's look more closely at renewable resources. Natural resources, they are the ones that can grow again. Trees are a good example. If cut down, they can regrow from seeds and sprouts. Animals are another example. Baby animals are born and grow up. They replace older animals, then die. Trees are one of the most useful renewable natural resources. We use trees to produce almost 8,000 different things. Like this cardboard box, wood is used to make most of these products. Tree wood is in our homes, furniture, paper, and on and on. Trees chemicals are also used to produce things like rayon, cloth, food, medicine, and rubber. Okay. Non-renewable natural resources. Now let's look at non-renewable natural resources. They are found in the ground. They are fixed amount of these resources. They are not living things and they are sometimes hard to find. They don't regrow and they are not replaced or renewed. They in the fossil fuels we burn for energy, natural gas, coal and oil. Minerals used for making metals are also non-renewable natural resources. Non-renewable natural resources are things that take longer than a person's lifespan to be replaced. In fact, they can take millions of years to form. Fossil fuels such as oil, coal, and gas will not last forever. They are non-renewable. People are trying hard to find new fuels that are clean and will provide the power we need. Wind, solar, and hydrogen power are renewable resources that offer hope for the future. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Vaishali Mullah from class 8th, standing before you to tell about renewable and non-renewable resource. Before knowing about renewable and non-renewable resource, you have to know what resources are. Anything that can be used to satisfy our need are called resource. Resources are mainly categorized into natural resource, human resource and human-made resource. Resources that are drawn from nature and used without much modification are called natural resource. Natural resources mainly categorized into renewable resource and non-renewable resource. What is renewable resource? A renewable resource is one of that can be used repeatedly and does not run out because it is naturally replaced. Additionally, a renewable resource such as wind energy, solar energy and geothermal pressure has endless supply. Most precious metals are also renewable, although they are not naturally replaced, but they can be recycled because they are not destroyed during their excretion in use. The demand for renewable resources is increasing as the human population continues to grow. Now second is, what are non-renewable resources? A non-renewable resource is natural substance that cannot replenish with the speed at it is consumed. It is finite resource. Fossil fuels such as oils, natural gases and coal are the examples of non-renewable resource. Humans continuously drawn on reserves of these substances. With the formation of these substances takes ions. Non-renewable resource comes from the earth. Human excretes them in gas, liquid and solid form, then convert them in their use, mainly related to energy. The reserves of these substances took billions of years to form, and it will take billions of years to replace new supply. In economic terms, non-renewable are resources that have economic value, cannot be readily replaced at the speed with which it is consumed. So these were some information about renewable and non-renewable resource. I hope you all understood it. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Khushi from class 8A and today's topic is renewable and non-renewable resource. So, what is resources? Anything that can be used to satisfy a need is called resource. There are three types of resource. First is natural resource, second is human resource and the third is human-made resource. Okay, what is natural resource? Resources are that are drawn from nature and used without much modification or natural resource. For example, air, water, minerals, soil, all are the example of natural resources. And natural resources classified into two categories. The first is renewable resource and the second is non-renewable resource. What is renewable resources? A renewable resource which can be replenished or reused. It means it will never run out. A non-renewable resource is a type of resource that cannot be replenished. Example of renewable resource: water, solar energy, wind energy, etc. And the example of non-renewable resource is coal, petrol and natural gases, etc. Renewable resources operation cost is low, clean, no harm for the environment. Sun, wind, ocean, etc. are available in abundant quantity and are free to use. Whereas non-renewable resources, they are cheap and easy to use and known for their efficiency, ability to use a lot of energy in short period of time, little or no competition.
Hello, my name is Ashi Verma from class 8A. In this video, we talk about renewable and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources are those resources which can be reproduced over a short period of time. They cause less pollution, example, wind, soil, forest, solar energy, etc. Cost of renewable resources is low. Renewable resources are available in large amount. Large area is required for construction, example windmills. Now come to the next topic, non-renewable sources. Non-renewable resources are those resources which cannot be reproduced. They cause more pollution. It takes millions of years to occur, example minerals and fossil fuels, etc. Cost of non-renewable resources is high. They are available in limited amount. Less area is required for construction. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Shreya Srivastava from class 8 and today we will talk about renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Natural resources that can be reused and replaced by nature are termed renewable. Natural resources that cannot be replaced are termed non-renewable. Now renewable resources. Renewable resources is a resources which can be used repeatedly and replaced naturally. Renewable resources replenished naturally and over relatively short period of time. Non-renewable resources are energy sources that human society use to function in daily basis. This means that non-renewable resources are limited in supply and cannot be used sustainably. There are four major types of non-renewable resources: oil, natural gas, coal, and nuclear energy. Thank you.
Hello everyone. First of all, thank you to my teacher for giving this opportunity to making this video. I am Sarvesh Patel from class 8C. So today I am explaining about renewable and non-renewable resources with various examples. So first is renewable resources. You know, renewable resources are those that are present in unlimited quantity. These resources are not likely to be exhaustible by human activities as they are unlimited, and they are also called inexhaustible resources, and these examples are water, air, wind, etc. Now second is non-renewable resources. You know, non-renewable resources are those that are available to us in limited quantity, or those that are renewed so slowly are called non-renewable resources, and these examples are coal, natural gas, oil, etc. Thank you.
Everyone, this is Shradha from class 8th, standing before you to tell about renewable and non-renewable resource. Before I tell about renewable and non-renewable resource, I want to tell what is resource. Anything that can be used to satisfy our need is called resource. Types of resources. Resources are classified into three various parts: natural resource, human-made resource, and human resource. First, natural resource. Resources that are drawn from nature and used without much modification is called natural resource. Natural resources are mainly categorized into two parts: renewable resource and non-renewable. Renewable resources are those resources which can be renewed and reproduced. Renewable resource causes less pollution. It can be renewed over a short period, low carbon emission, and available in large amount. Non-renewable resource are which cannot be renewed and reproduced, available in less amount, high carbon emission. It causes more pollution. It takes millions of years. Example of renewable resource: water, land, soil, forest, solar energy. Example of renewable resource: mineral and fossil fuel. Hello everyone, I am Vaishali Munna from class 8th, standing before you to tell about renewable and non-renewable resource. Before knowing about renewable and non-renewable resource, you have to know what resources are. Anything that can be used to satisfy our need are called resource. Resources are mainly categorized into natural resource, human resource, and human-made resource. Resources that are drawn from nature and used without much modification are called natural resource. Natural resources mainly categorized into renewable resource and non-renewable resource. What is renewable resource? A renewable resource is one of that can be used repeatedly and does not run out because it is naturally replaced. Essentially, a renewable resource such as wind energy, solar energy, and geothermal pressure has endless supply. Most precious metals are also renewable, although they are not naturally replaced, but they can be recycled because they are not destroyed during their excretion in use. The demand for renewable resources is increasing as the human population continues to grow. Now second is, what are non-renewable resources? A non-renewable resource is natural substance that cannot replenish with the speed at it is consumed. It is finite resource. Fossil fuels such as oils, natural gases and coal are the examples of non-renewable resources. Humans continuously drawn on reserves of these substances. Well, the formation of these substances takes ions. Non-renewable resource comes from the earth. Human excretes them in gas, liquid and solid form, then convert them in their use, mainly related to energy. The reserves of these substances took billions of years to form, and it will take billions of years to replace new supply. In economic terms, non-renewable are resources that have economic value, cannot be readily replaced at the speed with which it is consumed. So these were some information about renewable and non-renewable resource. I hope you all understood it. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Devnarayan Gupta from class 8th. So today we will know some important significance of renewable and non-renewable resources. So firstly, what are renewable resources? Renewable resources are those resources which can get replenished quickly, or you can say they do not get exhausted. So some example of these resources is air, water, wind, sunlight, etc. These resources will practically never run out. These resources are environment friendly. This means that they do not cause any pollution in our environment. And these resources also called inexhaustible resources. So now coming up to the non-renewable resources. These resources are limited in nature and they do not get replenished quickly. They may take millions of years to come back. Some examples of these resources are coal, petroleum, natural gas, etc. These resources cause pollution in our environment, and also these resources are called exhaustible resources. So nowadays we are overusing our resources. So as a result, it will be finished for our next generation. So we have to use our resources judiciously and save it for our future use. So that's all. Thanks for watching this video.
Hi, this is Chandreshwar and I am in 8th grade Independent Senior Secondary School. Here I am standing to explain about renewable and non-renewable resource and its significance with various examples. So let's see. Before we move ahead our topic, we need to know what is resource. Anything that can be used to satisfy a need is a resource. For example, like water, air, oxygen. These all are resource. Oxygen is a resource because we take oxygen to survive. Without oxygen we can't survive. So these are our resource. So let's move our topic, renewable resource and non-renewable resource. Firstly, we will discuss what is renewable resource. So first, renewable resources. Renewable resources are those resources which get renewed or replenished quickly. Some of them are unlimited and not affected by human activities, like solar energy, wind energy are unlimited and not affected by human activities. Yet, careless use of some certain renewable resources can affect their stock, like water, forest, etc. can affect by human activities. For like example, water seems to be an ultimate renewable resource, but shortage and drying up of natural water sources is a major problem in many parts of the world. Let's see what is the significance of renewable resources. Significance of renewable energies are it play important role in reducing greenhouse gas emission, and also help in reducing energy imports, and also help in reducing of use of fossil fuels. So these are the significance of renewable resources. Let's see our next non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources are those resources which have limited stock. Once the stock exhausted, it takes thousands of years to get renewed or replenished. Since this period is much more than the human lifespans, this kind of resources are considered non-renewable resources. For example, like oil, petroleum, and natural gas are all non-renewable resources. It takes thousands of years to get renewed or replenished. Let's see what is the significance of non-renewable resources. So the significance of non-renewable resources are used to provide help to the human beings with the energy. They need power in their homes and their cars and so many. So these are the significance of non-renewable resources. So these are all information about renewable and non-renewable resources. I hope the information given by me helpful to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning, sir, and all my dear friends. My name is Jasmine Ansari and I am a student of class 8th B. Today I am going to discuss about resources. So what is resources? Anything that fulfill the need of human being is known as resources. Resources are broadly classified into three main categories. First is natural resources, second is human-made resources, and third is human resources. All resources are important and we should conserve all of them. According to me, natural resources is most important resources. Natural resources are those resources which are drawn from nature and can be used by human beings without much modifications. Natural resources are further broadly classified into two main categories. First is renewable resources and second is non-renewable resources. Renewable resources are those resources which can be renewed or replenished again. These are also known as inexhaustible resources. They have unlimited stock of resources in the earth. Example of these are sunlight, air, water, mineral, etc. But some of these resources can be exhausted by the careless activity of human beings. Now we go to next step. Next is non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources are those resources which cannot get renewed or replenished again. These are known as exhaustible resources. They have limited stock on the earth and they can exhaust easily by the human activities. Some example of non-renewable resources are coal, petroleum and natural gas. I hope you like the video. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning everyone, my name is Ansing from class 8B. So today's my topic is what is called renewable and non-renewable resources and their significations. So start the topic. The resources which are present in unlimited amount in nature and they are not likely executed by human activity is called renewable resources. The example water, air, sunlight, etc. And they are in unlimited amounts, so they are in low cost and they emit low quantity of carbon dioxide, so they are in friendly nature and their maintenance cost is large amount and they are fastly resilient. Second, non-renewable resources and their signification. The resources which are in limited amount and they are likely executed by humans activity. Example of these resources are forest, wildlife, mineral, coal, diesel, petrol, etc. And their maintenance cost is in low amount, so and their consumption is high but production is low and they are in limited amount, so they are in very costly and they emit high amount of carbon dioxide, so they are also responsible for pollution and they are very dangerous for our environment. And without water, air, bike, car, petrol, diesel, we cannot live or think about our survive. So and when non-renewable resources are vanished, then life in trouble. So we use these resources very carefully. Thank you.
Hello and good morning. Myself Swati Nigam from class 8th B. I am here to tell you about the resources like renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Firstly, we read about the natural resources. What is natural resources? Resources that are drawn from nature and used without much modification are called natural resources. The air we breathe, the water we drink, the water in our rivers, lake, and the soil, mineral, all are natural resources. Natural resources can be broadly categorized into renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources are those which get renewed or replenished quickly. Some of these are unlimited and are not affected by human activities such as solar and wind energy. Yet careless use of certain renewable resources like water, soil and forest can affect their stock water seem to be an unlimited renewable resources, but shortage and drying up of nature water source is major problem of many parts of the world today. Firstly, and now we study about the non-renewable resources. What is non-renewable resources? In renewable resources, we can see that the example of non-renewable resources are like that solar, wind energy, like water. जैसे कि ये ख़त्म होने वाली चीज़ें हैं जो फिर से नहीं हो सकती हैं, like water, soil, forest. Now we read about the non-renewable stocks. It means resources. Non-renewable resources are those which have limited stock. Once the stock has executed, it may take thousands of years to be renewed or replenished. Since this period is more much than human lifespans, such resources are considered non-renewable. Coal, petroleum, and natural gas are some examples. The distribution of natural resources depends upon number of physical factors like terrain, climate, and altitude. The distribution of resource is unequal because these factors differ so much over the earth. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all. Myself Adit Keshamani. I am the student of class 8th B. I am going to start at a topic renewable resource and non-renewable resource. Before starting this topic, we know about what is resource. Anything is used to satisfy or fulfill our need is called resource. There are some examples of resource: oxygen, water, etc. And we are going to our next topic, what is renewable and non-renewable resource. What is renewable resource? The resource that can be renewed is known as renewable resource. They are unlimited in stock like water. And non-renewable resource are the resource that cannot be renewed is known as non-renewable resource. They are limited in stock like soil and etc.
I am Sakcham Pandey. I read in class 8B. Today I am going to tell you about resources. Resources are of three types: natural resources, human-made resources, and human resources. So in this video we are going to study about natural resources. Resources which can be drawn by nature and can be used without much modification are called natural resources. These are of two types: renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources are those resources which can be renewed or replenished quickly. Some of them are unlimited and are not affected by human activities. Yet careless use of certain renewable resources can affect their stock. Examples of renewable resources: hydroelectricity, compressed natural gas, wind energy, nuclear energy are some examples of natural resources. Are some examples of renewable resources. Trees are one of the most useful renewable resources. Trees are used to produce almost 8,000 different things. Non-renewable resources which have a limited stock. Once the stock of non-renewable resources exhausted, it may take thousands of years to be renewed or replenished. Since this period is much more than human lifespan, such resources are considered as non-renewable resources. Example of non-renewable resources: fossil fuel, coal, uranium, steel, and aluminium are such examples of non-renewable resources. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Rajkumar and I am telling a topic renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Firstly, I will introduce you renewable resources and their benefits, and then we can talk about non-renewable and their benefits. Firstly, I will introduce you renewable resources and their benefits. Renewable resources: the resources which can be used repeatedly and replaced naturally. renewable resources are run out in nature, and renewable resources are known as the inexhaustible resources. The example of renewable resources. The renewable resources example is solar energy, wind energy, hydro energy, etc. Benefits of renewable resources. It is unlimited in air. It will never run out. It is used to free. It is environment friendly. Non-renewable resources. The resources which cannot be used repeatedly and replaced in nature is called non-renewable resources. The resources which cannot be used repeatedly and replaced in nature is called non-renewable resources. Example of non-renewable resources: coal, petroleum, etc. are the example of non-renewable resources. Benefits of non-renewable resources: cheap to use, easy to use, and it is limited in nature.
Hello everyone, myself Palagon from class 8B. Today I am here to tell about renewable natural resources and non-renewable natural resources. So first, renewable natural resources. Renewable natural resources are those which get renewed or replenished quickly. Some of these are not affected by human activity, and these are unlimited, such as solar, wind and energy. There are the ones that grow again. Trees are good example. If cut down, they can regrow from seeds and sprouts. Animals are other example. Baby animals are born to grow up. They place older animals that die. Air and water are renewable natural resources too. They do not regrow like trees or have babies like animals, but they are always being renewed. They move in cycles. They go from one place to another, often back where they started again and again. This is a good thing because all living things need air and water to survive. They are renewable natural resources. It includes sources of power like sun and wind energy. These are never ending. Finally, remember this: renewable resources can regrow or be replaced within a person's lifespan. Now second, non-renewable natural resources. They are fixed amount. They are found in ground. They are not living things, and they are some things hard to find. They do not regrow, and they are not replaced or renewed. They include the fossil fuels we burn for energy like natural gas, coal and oil. Minerals used for making metals are so non-renewable natural resources. Non-renewable natural resources are things that take longer than a person's lifespan to be replaced. They can take millions of years to form. Thank you.
Good morning, dear teachers and my all dear friends. Myself Mohammad Zishan Ali, and I am a student of class 8B. Today I am here to tell you the topic what is natural resources and its types, and also giving you an example. Now I am going to tell you what is renewable resources. That resources which we gain from natural things without much modification is called as renewable resources. Some of them have unlimited stocks. Example of renewable resources are water, air, etc. Then the renewable resources will not end from our earth if we not harm them. If we harm them, they will be removed from our earth. So we have not to harm our natural resources. Now I am going to tell you what is non-renewable resources. That type of resources which we gain from our natural things or natural resources, but they have a limited stock. If once they will exhausted, they may take more than 1000 years to be replaced. As you can see here that 1000 years is also more than human life span. So you have to use carefully this type of resources. Now you also to hear the examples of non-renewable resources that are that are fossil fuel, then petroleum, then oil. Okay, these are the examples of your non-renewable resources. So now my whole topic is ended. I hope that you understood the video properly. Thank you. Have a nice day.
And welcome my dear friends. So my name is Nafish Siddiqui from class 8B. I am going to tell you about renewable and non-renewable resources. So let's get started. Renewable resources are those resources which can be reused, like water, sunlight, etc. And these are present in unlimited quantity. And non-renewable resources are those resources which cannot be reused, like coal, petroleum, etc.
Hello ma'am, I am Ayush Sharma from class 8B. And today's topic is renewable resources. Renewable resources can be by the natural process by the quickly as a human that can be used and throw them. And his example, sunlight, solar energy. Non-renewable energy is a resources including coal, energy and oil.
Good morning all of you. My name is Srishti Singh. I read in class 8. Today I am going to discuss about renewable and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources. Renewable resources are those which get renewed or utilized quickly. Some of these are unlimited and not affected by human activities such as solar and wind energy. Yet careless uses of created renewable resources like water, soil and forest can affect their stock. Water seems to be an unlimited renewable resource, but storage are drying up of natural water sources is a major problem in many parts of the world today. It is the amount of resources available for use. Second, non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources are those which have a limited stock. Once the stock are executed, it may take thousands of years to be renewed or utilized since the period is much more than human lifespans. Such resources are considered non-renewable. Coal, petroleum, and natural gas are some examples. The distribution of natural resources depends upon number of physical factors like trend and climate etc. The distribution of resources is unequal because these factors differ so much over the earth. Thank you for